Hey everybody, Looks into Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project, and a giveaway. Woo! More on that later. So what I wanted to do today is I want to try and once again recreate what happened here and what happened here, except with different alcohol lengths. We're still going to use the same craft resin and different alcohol inks that I just found on Amazon. And the reason these caught my eye is because unlike many other metallic alcohol inks, these actually have colors. So it's not just bronze and gold and black and silver. It is also pink and green and blue and purple, and they also have red. So they actually have metallic colors instead of just metallics. And these are also not shimmer inks like the T-Rex inks. These are metallic colored alcohol inks. And I want to see how they behave with the craft resin on another 30 thick. This one's spray painted blue because somebody suggested I think it was in this video, down in the comment area, they suggested how about doing something with blues instead of these bright neon orange yellowy things and black. So I thought, yeah, sure, I'm up for blues all the time. So we have a blue cup. I've spray painted it blue with Rust-Oleum. I am going to pick these alcohol inks. We're gonna go for silver blue, metallic pink, metallic green, metallic purple, and white silver. Those are gonna be our inks that we put on here. And again, I'm gonna use the same craft resin I used before. It is a very, very liquidy, fluid resin, and I think that, plus the alcohol inks on top, is what caused the fish eyes in these tumblers. So we're gonna find out if it works with a different set of alcohol inks. And just to keep it somewhat the same as this one, I am going to have a colored resin on top of the alcohol inks. So instead of just putting white Cast and Craft pigment into a little bit of leftover resin, I am going to put white and also a drop of blue Cast and Craft. So this will be blue also. The drizzle will be a blue resin on top of these alcohol inks on this cup. And before I drop on the inks, I will be putting a layer of clear craft resin onto the cup. That's what we're gonna do. Just sit back and enjoy the show. We'll see what we get. And we're back. Okay, rather than covering this up and doing the big reveal like I did this time, I will just show you that once again, we have ended up with a very similar sort of situation. That's not exactly the same. These swirled a little more smoothly. These are a little more crunchy because they have metallic bits in them. I would say now, with pretty high level of confidence, that if you're using this resin, at least with these two different alcohol ink sets, which are the metallics here and the T-Rex shimmers here, that you're going to get this sort of gaping space fisheye thing going on. Actually, this is beautiful. Let's just address the alcohol inks. I think the rivers of alcohol ink, all the different metallic colors, are gorgeous. You can still see the individual greens, purples, and blues, which I think are really attractive. I was considering whether I should have maybe started started with a navy blue background, because then this would be kind of striking, kind of like this was, light colors on a darker background. But I'm not unhappy with this. I think this is beautiful also. Maybe for the next one, I'll do a dark background. We have the other half of the alcohol inks in this metallic set to try out still. Now that we're here, and before I finish this cup, let's discuss the giveaway. Okay, so the fine folks at Craft Resin are sponsoring this giveaway. What they are offering to one winner is a $100 US or Great Britain pound or Europe euro gift card that will allow for purchase of any Craft Resin products, their resin or their mica powders. I will put everything, all the details of the giveaway in the description below. But basically you're going for a $100 or pound or euro gift card. What we ask is for anybody who wants to enter, follow these 3 easy steps. So this giveaway runs from now. The giveaway ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the US on Saturday, April 30th. So you have from whenever you see this to the end of April. And then I will announce a winner in the following week sometime. You will receive a digital gift card, depending on your location, from the Craft Resin people. I will go through the details with whoever the winner is. I will pick the winner with a random entry picker. Please, 1 comment per person. So good luck to everybody. If you have any questions, I will also put my email down in the description below, along with all the rules in a much clearer fashion than I've blathered them out here. You can email me and ask questions. I'll clarify whatever I can. And now, back to the show. I'm going to fill in the gaps, kind of like I did last time, but a little different this time. So stay tuned for the big reveal out in the sunshine.